everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have another DIY video. I know it's been a little bit, but I am back and we're back with some more bling. You know I love my bling, so this one is gonna be good. I have my Swarovski crystals right here. I'm gonna get into what I'm blinging in a second, even though you probably already know from the title, so Gina, just get it over with. I'm going to be blinging my Jeffree Star mirror. So, love Jeffree Star, love my Jeffree Star mirror, but we need a little bit of bling on this. I'm like the bling bling Italian diva. I need some bling. So I have 4 packs of Swarovski crystals right here. These are $9.99 at your local Michael's, but if you have a coupon off their website, 2 of these were $4.99, so $5 a piece, and the other 2 were $10. So $30 for 4 packs. I know that might be like $30 for crystals, but trust me, it's worth it because they last a long time. They have really good quality, but I do have other crystals here to show you that aren't Swarovski. They're like just rhinestones, but they're around the same price. You can see that you get like 1,000 crystals. Probably not that many, I'm over exaggerating, but you get a ton more crystals. Now these over time will, I feel like they kind of disintegrate a little bit. Not the crystal itself, but the little silver piece underneath, if you use a very strong glue like I do, I use E6000, eventually this will start to kind of look cracked. I have them in blue, I have them in a rainbow, and then I also have them right here in pearls, which is awesome. Now, if you guys have seen past videos of mine, I love my Swarovski crystals, but they do get expensive. I have this one right here that I did a video on, so definitely go through my videos and find my DIY bling phone case. Love this. But let me show you that these little gems that are cheaper and come with so much more can also look really awesome. So these are my shoes I also have a video on, but look it, they look just as nice, blingy, and when I'm wearing them on my feet, I feel like a bling queen. You saw me bling this one in a video, and then these ones I showed at the end. So they look just as good. It's totally up to you, but I'm just a Swarovski girl myself, so if I'm blinging something like Jeffree Star, I'm going to use Swarovski. If I'm blinging something like sneakers, I will use the cheaper gems because I need more of them. And plus, I think the bigger, more colorful gems look the best. But I mean, Swarovskis would look really good on those too. I'm going to go around this middle star right here, and then I'll see what I have left for jewels. I was actually thinking about adding some small white pearls to kind of give me more Swarovskis to work with, just to kind of fill in the gaps a little bit. So that's my plan. You know me, or if you don't know me, if you're new, I really like to just go right at it. I don't have a plan. I don't, got some steps to do. I just freestyle it. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring you guys closer and you're gonna see me freestyle my Jeffree Star mirror, turning it from a hot pink mirror to a blingy hot pink mirror. So let's get started. guys, so I had to end my video last night and not finish my outro because my son was tired and he wanted to go to bed. And plus I wanted to clean up the glue just a little bit, but now it's sunny, it's the next day, and I wanted to show you guys the finished product. The sun is very bright, so I don't want to look at it. But yes, this is the finished product. I love it so much. It's so me, and it's just a Bling Jeffree mirror. Love it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.